Hey everyone, Gabby here, and in this video we're going to cover Canvas templates. Templates are a really great resource for us as teachers to use that help us structure a course that's already pre-made for you. You will need to go into the template, download and import it to a Sandbox course first, and then start to change things and add the text, images, content to your course so that it looks the way you want it to look. So let's go and dive in, find a template and add it to my Sandbox class to show you what that looks like. So on the left-hand side, there's Commons, and I'm going to open up my Commons. The first thing I'm going to do to find the UEN templates, I'm going to click Filter on the right and scroll to the bottom and click UEN K-12 and move that out of the way. And then I'm going to type Canvas templates, and I will see that there are quite a few instructional design templates that I can import to my Sandbox course. So I am going to use this Canvas template primary subjects school, and I'm going to open it up, review it, see that I like it. It's my jam. I can click on some of this stuff and I can see what it looks like. All right, I like how simple this looks. It's got great examples. I can click on assignments to see what things look like. Click on their pages. Let's see what that home page looks like. All right, I love that. That's bright, it's colorful, it's got buttons already made. I want to use this in my course. So my suggestion to you is import it into a Sandbox course first. If you import it into a live session and then begin working in it, your students may notice and then become a little confused and lost. So best tip is just add it to your Sandbox course first, play around with it, make it how you want it to look, add the content and the information that you want to add your personal vibes to it, and then you can make those published in your live course. So let's go ahead and import download on the right-hand side, and it's going to prompt me to select which course. And I'm going to click my UEN Sandbox course and import. Then it's going to give me a green banner at the top that says you've successfully started the import, but it may take a while. So once it's complete, you can go to your dashboard, click on your Sandbox course. So I'm going to go ahead and click modules. And when I'm here, I will notice the new information. If the new information isn't there yet, you might just need to wait a minute or two for it to upload to your course. So as I start to scroll down, this first week 2 module that says Learn, Apply, Reflect, this was one I had already. And now what is below are the things that were imported from that template. And this is how and where I can start to edit and make it my own. So I'm going to click on this class overview, and I can see this is in a little bit of Latin and silly words. And so I can edit this and then make it what I want it to say for my own course, and then click save. And then when I'm ready, I can move this over to my live session and then publish it so they can see. So again, templates are great because it helps you structure your class. They're templates that are already made for us so that we don't have to start from scratch. And if it's got most of what we want that we like in it, but there's a couple of things we don't like, we can delete it. We don't have to publish it to our course. So it's just a super simple way that helps support you as you get started, helps you stay structured in your course organization, and helps students have the consistency of that course structure.